Hello hackers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Today we are going to discuss a tool called Netdiscover. Hackers use this tool so much, like hackers use this tool to scan the current network and find all the devices which are connected to their network. Like imagine there is a Wi-Fi called something XYZ. Hacker is connected to that Wi-Fi called XYZ, and what he will do means, like, he will find all the connected devices and their IP addresses of that Wi-Fi. Okay, uh, so without wasting time, let's get started. Just now, yeah, just open your Kali terminal, and first of all what we should do means, Kali, yeah, first we should get to know about like what is our network interface and what is our IP address. So what we will do means, we will type command if config or ifconfig, anything. So hit enter. Here, this is my network interface, ETH0. So just a minute, I will increase this size. Yeah, now you can see, yeah, ETH0. So this is my network interface and this is my IP address. And now how these tool will work means, like, just type Netdiscover and -I flag. -I is nothing but like interface. What interface? Netdiscover interface ETH0, and just hit enter. Now you can see that these are all the devices which are connected to this network, my current network, and these are all their IP addresses and these are their MAC addresses. Okay, just I'm hitting Control C. Yeah, now you can see. So there is called GX India PO Private Limited. This is my Wi-Fi, and this is my Wi-Fi's MAC address, and this is my Wi-Fi's IP address. And these are all my cameras, like CCTV cameras. So these are their MAC addresses and IP addresses. And these are some laptops, I think. Yeah, these are all some laptops or systems. So we can do it. It has one more method. Let me show you. What we have done is, we have done -I. We have given -I for interface and ETH0. We can also do with like -R. -R stands for range, and this is my IP address. Let me show you. I will just copy my IP address and I will paste it, and I will just remove 87 and will keep 0. Like in Wi-Fi na, in Wi-Fi what are all the devices will be connected na. So what Wi-Fi has like a DHCP server which will provide IP address to the devices. So it will be from 0 to 255, I think. Yeah, 255. So 0/24. 24 is just about range I am giving, so I am hitting enter. So it will also give same output. You can see same output we got. There is nothing much difference. So what I will prefer is, just I will prefer only the first command, like this one, -I and ETH0. It will be good. Like, I don't know, I feel very easy to do. Okay, this we have done. Like now what if we want to save all those IP addresses into a file? So it is also possible. So just do Netdiscover -I ETH0 and then hit greater than symbol and give a file name called hosts.txt. or anything some.txt, and you just hit enter. What it will do means it will scan and it will be saving in that file, so that it is not showing here. So if I hit Ctrl C and if I give ls command, we can see there is file called host.txt. Now we will read that file, hosts.txt. Now you can see that ah, here it is some like it is not good for looking, I think. Like, see, it is something like consisting, like, yeah, we have a solution for it. What we will do is same command, netdiscover -i eth 0 and capital P. What capital P will do is, like, it will whatever the output it's getting now, so it will be saved in a like a particular manner, like it will be a good looking. Here I will give file name.ip.txt and I will hit enter. See, yeah, I think the scan is complete, so I will hit Ctrl C now. ls, see, we can see that ip.txt is created. Now we will see what is the content inside it. Cat ip.txt and hit enter. Yeah, now it is good compared to previous one. So this is about today's video, and I know many people are thinking that what is the use of this tool. Like, what if we get this IP addresses, what hacker will do with this IP addresses? Imagine, like, imagine that you are studying in any university or college, okay? Like, there will be a Wi-Fi, so many students, like thousands of students, are connected to the particular Wi-Fi. In those thousand students, there will be any one hacker, okay? Imagine there is an hacker in those students, okay? What he will do means, like, he will just connect to that Wi-Fi which is publicly available, and then what he will do is, he will perform Netdiscover scan, and he will find all the IP addresses and MAC addresses of devices which are connected to that particular Wi-Fi. Now what he will do? Next he will do nmap scan on those IP addresses. After nmap scan, like, after nmap scan, he can able to find open ports and what are all the services running on those devices and what are all the versions of those services, and he will also run some script scans, vulnerability scans. Like, if he able to find any vulnerability in those devices, he will exploit it and he can gain access to those devices. So don't take it like very silly way. So hacker can do anything, okay? So keep in mind that, just learn. Okay, I have forgot one thing. This video is only for educational purpose only, so don't use it in illegal or unethical purposes. So that's it. If you want to perform this scan on that, perform it on your own network, okay, or your on your own Wi-Fi. Okay, that's it for today. Next video I am planning to come with the nmap from basic to advanced level, okay? So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Happy hacking. Bye bye.